of the searching and filtering 511. Show you is one is the show all folder, second is a match case, third is a match RE, regular expressions. Let's try to do that. Before we go to the actual content for this video is we leave some the issues for this specialization. So I closed the model and then reopen this model, and now is I have is my view is here, and I can see the specialization is being able to pop up. So I need to further test is I have two specializations, but not only this my cab is coming, because it's, I think is we don't have this specialization used because instance is 0. So let's uncheck this one, and I put this one business part show by this specialization. So let me save that. Now I hope I see still 1. So this one is used by one instance. So here I can see instance 1. So I will close. Then I try to reopen. Now is from the specialization. You can see that is 2. So this is a little strange is how that take the effective. I may record a specific video to raise this question to forum. Maybe I did something not fully correct, but anyway, is once you have an instance of your specialization, you should see something like here. Then you can filter your specialized element by selecting that. This video is the first topic is quite simple, show all folder. So this one is will show those objects that match your search, the searching result. Let's show you that is if I select the cap as of matching a string. So you can see here is your searching result is only in the strategy folder, as the top folder is left. But if you don't want to miss the other top level folder, is that is coming from the tool, the this edit. Sorry. So for this preference and for the general. So let me see. So where is that? Is you can set as option to filter. Oh, so not here. So my bad is I think is that is here. This one, the number 4 from the bottom, show all folder. Then even those one has nothing is with the capability, they are still shown. But it's possible is in within your this application folder, you have some function is the capacity 2. So for example, so that is by chance is you have the cap on both is the capability and the capacity. If you don't show all folder is only strategy and application are shown. So that is the reason is you may have this one. So my suggestion is you keep this show all folder is checked. That is give you complete this folder list so that you can at least know where the element is you are working is the positioning of that. That is useful, but is not default checked. Second is this one is a match case. Is that is easy to understand. Is if you check that, then this cap. So let me see, cap is show the matching the case of the search because you have this CAP is with the capital C. Both is for here. But if I have that is the small c, that will not come in, and you will have this small c here. But if you uncheck this match cases, you have both. My suggestion is for the second one is you may not no need to always check because normally is our architecture may not be so strict on this spelling. whether it's capital or not capital. So we want to focus on the meaning of your architect artifacts want to bring. So lowercase, capital case are both, to me, it's relevant. So I want to see both. So that is the second part. Third part is may have more the discussion, but I just wanted to show you is for the regular expression. I have a dedicated course or videos you may look, but let's just base on the the simple one. So if you put is the square brackets and you put is A to Z, so that means is the all kinds of those the A to Z is coming from this name. So but you may see here is that is not come. So 0 to 9 is also nothing happened. Is because you need to match regular expression to be checked. So when I check that, is this will starting to take effective. 0-9 inside our square brackets means is at any string that have our digits. So this one is digit, F2 2 is digit, and this 3 is digit. The matching part is shown as the bold. So similarly, is the A to Z is our character. So if our string including a character, any character A to Z, then that will be shown here. That is the regular expression. Is kind of the convenience ways for you to match certain the patterns. So if I want to see is I want to see maybe is just A, B, so C. So I want to see this A, B, C. So but why all of them is coming? So D, E, F. So I just typing. That is just is our kind of the things is within the these square brackets. If you don't put that in the square brackets, is like is I put AB, then this only this string with A and B continuously putting here will come in. So if I want to say is ABC, nothing, because there's no name inside is to have those ABC strings. But if I put is ABCD in one of my this is my test model. So let me see here. I put that is the here capability ABCD, and if I want to search ABC, so by the regular expression, so it's nothing. Because I have that matched and only the name. But if I put is the documentation, then cap1 is searched because ABC is here. So that is also is if you see the normal search can be also one special case for the regular expression. So and then this one is the, let's see, so A to E. So if I put in that, so then only those character has A to E is coming, and F, G. So now you don't see. So that means is this one. So I have A to E, and here is FG. Here is A to E, here is F. So that is coming. And I have E and W. So I may say is I want to have a E and I want to have a W. Then this view will be matching. New is matching. So those are coming. And I normally is the regular expression. I don't show this documentation. So and if I want to see here is the with this one, I don't want to see any strings with E. So so not have a E. So then as long as they have no E is coming, then that's will have that. So those are the things is we can see You just use certain this regular expression checking from here, then you can get some this flexible the searching the criteria. So we start is finish these three, and I hope is you can keep watching this with the last searching video in the next one. Bye for now.